and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a pre-recorded video of a Craftstash haul that I aired live right here on YouTube, except that I've downloaded it to my laptop and I've edited a few things out so that way it's not going to be so long for you to watch. So anyhow, I have a few items here by hot off the press. They are available at Craftstash and I will be linking you to these items in the description area below. Now the very first item, as you can see, is this beautiful heart die. It is by hot off the press and it is so intricate and so beautiful, and there you see the item number to it, and this is going to be part of a special event that me and a few other crafters are taking part in, and you will learn more about it in the following weeks. And as you can see here, I've taken it out of the packaging so that you can see just how enormous this beautiful, intricate heart die is. Next, we have this beautiful, absolutely stunning butterfly die set collection. It is called the Layered Butterfly Cutting Dies, and it's also by hot off the press, and I'm removing it from the packaging just so that you can get a better idea of how enormous this beautiful, absolutely gorgeous, intricate butterfly die is. And here I'm showing you the item number so that you can see, check it out for yourself if you wish to get the very same one. And on the back you will find some samples using this very same die set. We also have some absolutely gorgeous, and I know I'm repeating myself when I'm describing gorgeous and stunning and beautiful, but they truly are, chipboard pieces from hot off the press, and look how stunning these are. Absolutely, beautiful. And that is what they're called. These are the swirls chipboard, and there is a sample of what you can make with such as chipboard pieces, and as you can see here, I'm taking them out of the packaging so that you can get a better look. So I ordered 2 of the very same pieces. They are absolutely stunning, and the third chipboard pieces that I ordered, and let me check the name, is called Butterfly Meadow Chipboard by hot off the press. It is 13 chipboard pieces, and I think these are gonna go so beautifully, so well with my butterfly dies. And last but certainly not least is this beautiful hot off the press paper collection. It is called Blushing Blooms Blushing Blooms paper pack. I don't know where I got the brooms from, but anyhow, it has 11 coordinating 12 by 12 papers, 22 tags and labels, 2 each of 6 designs, double-sided papers at 80 pounds, and acid-free and lignin-free, and it's made in the USA and they sell it in England. And so yeah, I'm gonna do a quick flip through, and oh my gosh, these papers are a heck of a lot more beautiful than what I was able to see on the website. These papers are so stunning. So I'm gonna do my flip through now, and remember, you can always find the links to all the items that you see here in the description area of this video. And I hope that you subscribe to my channel if this is your first time visiting with me, and I hope that you click on that bell notification so that YouTube will notify you the next time I come on here and let the cat out of the bag. And so I'm also going to leave you my link to Craft World, and we have something big, something absolutely huge in the making with Craft World and Craftstash, so be on the lookout for that. And if you don't subscribe, you are going to miss out. So thank you so very much for watching. I thank each and every single one of you for your support throughout the year, right here on YouTube, my blog, and everywhere else where you can find me. I will see you once again real soon, okay? Have fun, have a Merry Christmas, have a wonderful, wonderful 2021, and I will see you real soon.